Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Superbox channels not working, live TV streaming fix and troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Open another app on your Superbox such as YouTube. Try streaming a video. If YouTube is also slow or not loading, restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Wait for the internet connection to fully restore before testing the channels again. Fix 2. Restart your Superbox. Temporary software glitches can prevent channels from loading properly. Turn off your Superbox. Unplug the power cable from the device. Wait 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in. Turn on the Superbox and open the channel app again. Fix 3. Clear the channel app cache. Open settings. Select apps. Find and select the channel app such as Blue TV. Select storage. Tap clear cache. Restart the app and check whether the channels are working. Fix 4. Clear app data. Go to settings, then apps. Select the channel app. Open storage. Tap clear data. Confirm the action. Reopen the app and allow it to reload its channel information. Fix 5. Update the channel app. Open the Superbox App Store. Check for updates for the channel app. Download and install any available updates. Restart the device after the update completes. Fix 6. Check for system updates. Open settings. Select About device or system update. Check for available updates. Install any updates found. Restart the Superbox after installation. Fix 7. Factory reset the Superbox. Open settings. Select device preferences. Choose reset or factory data reset. Confirm the reset. Wait for the Superbox to restart and complete the setup process. Reinstall any required apps and test the channels again. Fix 8. Contact Superbox support. If channels still do not work after completing all troubleshooting steps, take note of any error messages displayed on the screen. Check your Superbox model number. Contact Superbox customer support. Provide details about the issue and the troubleshooting steps you have already completed. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.